Hey, hot tubbers, is your pH too high and you're just driving yourself nuts trying to figure out how to get it lower? Well, stay tuned and we're going to get to that right now. And honestly, the number one thing that you need is this product here. It's SpaGuard's pH decreaser. This is the product that you need to lower your pH. I have actual dosage charts. The link is down below. It's totally free, where you can actually gives you the exact dosage that you need for your hot tub to get that pH down. I also do pH up and alkalinity and just everything that you need to balance your pH. Use your 5-way test strips. Get that pH to 7.6. That's where you want to be, is 7.6 on that hot tub. And if your alkalinity is high, you are going to constantly be struggling with that. So balance your alkalinity first, and you're going to actually take that down with the exact same product. pH decreaser, you're just going to do it very slowly over a long period of time. So it's typically 2 to 4 tablespoons every day for anywhere from 8 to 16 days. You got to get that alkalinity between 80 and 120, and then you get your pH to 7.6. If the pH drops lower than 7.6 while you're low in the alkalinity, ignore it until you get the pH in line, and then just bump it right back up with a product called pH increaser. I hope this is helpful, and you know what? If you check out this video right over here, YouTube says it's the one you should watch, and I will see you soon.
Thank you.